One of my key skills is understanding the data. So understanding what happens when someone clicks on a campaign, visits your website, their behaviors on the website. I'm quite analytical like that. I'm looking at the numbers and I'm understanding the patterns. There's not one platform that will tell you a complete picture anymore. So it's not Google Analytics, it's not your Facebook Pixel. Because of online privacy and tracking these days, our data that we receive from our campaigns is a little bit like Swiss cheese. It has holes in it. And so we have to look at different platforms, different results to piece all the numbers together. And so one of my key skills that I deliver to people is I can understand the numbers. I can piece all the different sources of information together. I can look at your online results, I can look at your offline results, what's happening in real life, and give you a complete picture of what is happening with your campaigns and help you calculate your return of investment. And that's one of my key skills that is highly valuable, especially in the ever-changing world with privacy laws and tracking. Understanding the numbers and piecing it together is a valuable asset that customers and my clients really value.